Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I customize my Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see guys that I'm using the default theme, and I'm going to change it to make my Samsung Galaxy phone become more aesthetic. First of all, we're going to go to our settings application, and in the setting we have to go to the themes option, this one, tap on this themes, and then here we can customize our Samsung Galaxy phone. We can select a lot of themes right here. We can get a lot of free themes we can apply to our phone. If you want to get the free theme, you can go to top and then you can folder it. You can select all right here and you just need to select free. Okay, and here you can access or you can choose whatever you want. You can select the aesthetic one or the cute one, or it's up to you, and you just need to search for it. You can click on this icon and then you can enter the keyword, and for example I'm going to select forest. I like anything about forest, so I'm just going to search for the forest. Right, and this is the result. And if we want to get the free theme, we just need to folder it, select top free, and these are the free theme we can use. And I'm just going to select this one guys. I like this one, and after that we can click on download. Before we apply this theme to our phone, click on download and then just wait for a moment until the downloading process is complete. Okay, now it's done. Then we just need to click on apply, and this theme will be applied to our Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and as you can see that my Samsung Galaxy phone is more aesthetic, and if you're not satisfied you can go to the theme again. Then actually you can customize a theme as you want. If you want to apply custom wallpaper, you can just select wallpaper, and here you can access a lot of wallpapers or your Samsung Galaxy phone. Then you can also customize the icons of your application. You just need to type the icon that you want. You can click on this search icon, then you can search right here, and it's up to you. And for me, I like the aesthetic for us, so I'm gonna go with this one. Alright guys, and that's how I customize my Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.